Hello everyone, this is Chaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a beautiful 4 kg 2-tier cake in 2 delicious flavors. The top tier are black forest flavor, filled with morella cherry compote, fresh whipped cream, sprinkled with grated dark chocolate and sugar-coated cherries. The bottom tier are rich chocolate cake filled with smooth dark chocolate ganache, homemade strawberry compote and fresh strawberry chunks. If you enjoy cake decorating and baking videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
And nobody is watching at night. The water rises. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching in. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching in. The water is rising over me. The water is rising now.